Hello, this is Shitu, your mathematics teacher. This video is brought to you by Iota Virtual Learning. In today's lesson we are going to be solving WAEC past questions on triangles and polygons 1. Now get your writing materials ready and join me. This is our first problem under the triangles and polygons. Let's just say the triangles of the pentagon are 2x plus 5 degree, x plus 20 degree, x degree, 3x minus 20 degrees, x plus 50 degrees. So we want to know the value of x. So we have these options here. I would like you to pause the video, kindly do it yourself, then come back to see how it is solved so you can compare your solutions, right? So now we're going to start. Now from here, let's look at what they mean by pentagon. Pentagon means a shape with 5 sides. So now shape with 5 sides. So here we have the number of sides, that is the number of sides of pentagon. Is 5. So now if the number of sides of pentagon is 5, so it means that the sum of angles, so this is angles, the sum of angles in a pentagon, the formula is going to be n minus 1 multiplied by 180 degrees. That's the formula. So now since we are having n, this is n, we have our n. Let's represent the number of pentagon, that is n, the size. We have 5 minus 2, then multiplied by 180 degrees. So we're going to have 5 minus 2 will give us 3 times 180 degrees. So from here, 3 times 180 degrees, that's going to give us 540 degrees. We have the sum of angles in a pentagon, so to be 540 degrees. So therefore, when you look at this, we have let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means we have 5 angles. So therefore, the sum of these 5 angles must give us 540 degrees. That is where we are going. So therefore, in pentagon, right? So we're going to let's pick the angles one after the other. So let's have 2x plus 5 plus the next one is x plus 20. The next one is x. The next one is 3x minus 20. The next one is x plus 15, right? Then everything must give us 540 degrees. That is where we are going. So now let's try to combine this. If you open this is what you're going to have. Okay. Now let's try to collect the like terms. We have x there. So now everything with x plus x here. So I want you to, and then 2x plus x, we have 2x. Have 7x plus x. Now we have 8x. So everything here will be 8x. Right? Now here, 5 plus, that is 25 minus 20, that is 5. Then 5 plus 15, we're going to have 20. So everything will be 20 equals 540. From here, we have what? We have x minus 20 is 540. So now, transpose 20 from here. Transpose that side. X equals 540 plus 20. Down here, 540. It's plus, not minus. As this one coming down here, it will change to minus, right? I'm sorry for that. So 540 minus this will give us 520. So now we divide both sides by 8. This we cancel this. We have x to be equals 520 divided by 8. That will give us 65. Right? Press calculator. You see it will give you 65. So therefore we have x to be 65. Now going down or going back to the options we have, consider we have this to be option, which is C. Second question here. In the diagram, ZY is a straight line. Calculate the value of x. Now look at this, and we have this diagram here. This is the ZY, okay? So we want to calculate the value of x. Now this is what this triangle, right? What have two angles inside the triangle and have one outside. The one that is found outside is called exterior angle. So, right, according to the law of triangles, exterior angle so the law of triangle, exterior angle of a triangle, you have a triangle, any form of triangle, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles, this one. So what we are saying now is that this angle here, angle Z, let me call this angle Y here, this angle Y here is equal to the two angles we have here, which is 2x plus 2x minus 21. So now this angle that is found at outside, which is what? Which is exterior angle, is 3x plus 4, which is equals 2x plus 2x minus 21. So now don't do the mistake. These are two angles. This one here, which is angle Z, and this one is angle P, right? Angle P. So we have 3x plus 14 equals 2x plus 2x minus 21. So the next thing we are going to do is to connect them together, collect lifetime, and find the value of x, right? So now from there, what are we going to do here? This will be going, this and this will be, for that we have 3x plus 14 x plus 2x, that will give us 4x minus 21. So now from here, this 3x is coming down here, transposing the 3x to the right hand side, and we are transposing this to the left hand side. Look at the arrow. So we have, so this implies that 4x, this one is coming down, we have minus 3x equals, we have 14 plus 21. So 4x minus 3x, that will give us x equals 14 plus 21, that will give us 35. So we have the value of x to be 35, so 35 degrees. So now when you look at the options we have, you can see that have C is solution, right? So C is the solution to the problem. Thank you for watching. We have this third question, so I'd like you to pause this video, solve it yourself, then come back to check and compare results. So now the question states that the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon, so take note of this regular polygon with k size. So the k solution, n is replaced by k, that is number of sides. We normally use n, but here they want us to use k. So the number of sides is k. You don't know the number of sides. It's 3k minus 10 right angles. So therefore, they said the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon. We don't know the type of the polygon, but we are told that it is a regular polygon. And when they say regular polygon, it means shape that has the interior angles the same. That for each of the interior angles are the same thing. That is the word regular polygon. With k side, but we don't know the number of sides that the polygon has. So, but they said the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon with k sides is 3k minus 10 right angles. This right angle is 90 degrees, right? Find the size of the exterior angle. So what we're going to do is that we have what we have. So we have sum of regular polygon with k size is 3k minus 10, that is right angles. This right angle dimension is multiplied by 90. So that is the sum. That is what they say sum of the regular polygon with k size is. So now, according to the law, the sum of what? The sum of any form of regular polygon of a polygon, the sum of what? Sum of angle, sum of angles in a regular. This is sum of angles. In that particular one they are given to us, sum of angles. Let's put angles. This represent angle. Sum of angles in a regular polygon with k is this for the particular question they give us. But generally, sum of angles in a is what is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. But we've already said n should be replaced by k, so we don't need to put n here. We have k. This is the general. So therefore, what we are going to do now is that we need to equate this and this together, since they are all the same thing. Generally, if you want to find this, right, this is the formula we are going to use: k minus 2 multiplied by 180. And we have the particular, this is 3k minus 10 multiplied by 90. So now we need to get the value of what? To get the value of k, that is, what is the number of sides, before we can get the exterior angle that we are looking for, this exterior angle. So I want you to listen attentively. So from here, we're going to have 3k minus 10 multiplied by 90, then equals, so k minus 2, then multiplied by 180 degrees. So we try to equate it like this. So now from here, I can reduce this equation because it looks somehow ambiguous. So but if I divide both sides by 90, so this equation will be reduced, right? So 90, we cancel this 90 here, right? I have 3k minus 10, then equals here, 90 here, 90 here will be 2. So we're going to multiply these two by everything here. 2 times k, we have 2k. 2 times minus 2, we have minus 4. So you can see that the equation has now been reduced to a simpler form. So from there, you have 3k minus 10. I want to rewrite it. 2k minus 4. So now here, we are going to transpose. 2k is coming down here, and minus 10 is going down here. So we're going to have 3k. Coming down here to change to negative, we have 2k equals minus 4. This one coming down here, it will change to positive 10. Right, we have 3k minus 2k, that will give us k, equals minus 4 plus 10, that will give us 6. So we have the size, that is the number of sides. Therefore, the number of size of the polygon is what? Is 6. Right? So say the number is 6. So now what asks us to find is solve, that is, find the size of the exterior angle. So now the formula, if you want to find an exterior angle of the polygon, it's all 360 divided by number of sides. Number of sides. N, that is number of what? Of size. Right? So therefore, we are going to have 360 degrees divided by, what's the number of sides we have? The number of sides is what? Is 6 here divided by 6. So 360 divided by 6. So we're going to have 60, because 6 here 1, 6 here is 6. So 60 degrees. So therefore, the exterior angle we have Okay, according to the question, the this is the right answer. That is option A is the solution. Hello, this is question 4. The question said find the value of x in the diagram below. We have this diagram below. This is looking at the angles given to us, they are called exterior angles. So there's a law that said the sum of all the exterior angles of pentagon is 360 degrees. So it's so simple, which means you're going to add all of these exterior angles and equate it to 360 degree, then find the value of x, and that's all. Simple. Now, solution. So, and that will sort with this, right? Now, solution, the sum. So I want you to take it and write it down. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Any form of polygon you have. So if it is exterior angle you are talking about, so just sum all the exterior angles together and they must give us 360 degrees, right? So therefore we're going to put 360 together and add everything. X plus 5 plus 2x. The next one, x minus 20. The next one is x. The next one is 3x plus 10. The next one is plus 3x plus 10 plus 15. Now, to get it right, let me put the parentheses, that is the bracket, so that we'll be able to identify the number of angles we are given. Oh, I repeated. Can you see? Can you see the reason why we said I should do that? So I repeated 3x plus 10 two times. So, and that is very wrong. So we're going to have it this way. 3x plus 10, then plus x plus 15. Right? Everything must give us this 360 degrees according to this information, that is the law up there. So if you count now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count our own. 1, 2, 5, 6 before we move on. Let's try to add all of this together. Adding this together, we have 2x plus, add another 2x plus the x that is down there. Here. Then we have what? Plus x again. Right? Plus 3x plus x. Right? Then let's add the number plus the numbers. We have 5 from the first one. Then we have minus 20 because that is 20, that is minus 20 that is there. Then we have plus so everything must give us 360 degrees. So now from here, 2x plus 2x, we have 4x plus x, 5s, 6s, 9x, 10x. X, 5 minus 5 plus 5 plus 10. Let me take this positive first. 5 plus 10, that is 15 plus 15, 30. We have 30 minus plus 30 minus 20 equals 360 degrees. So 10x plus 30 minus 20, that will give us plus 10 plus 360. 10x will be equals, we're going to transpose this 10 to the other side. We have 360 degree minus 10. We have 10x to be equals 360 minus 10, that will be 350 degrees. 350. Then we divide both sides by 10, right? So this we cancel this. We have x to be 350. You can see that divide by 10, that will give us 35. So down, see that the solution is B. That is, the right answer is B, which is 35 degrees. Thank you so much for watching, and do more by checking for past questions and solve the equations that are related to this. Thank you.